Okay, so first we're gonna talk about how to organize your printables. You guys, if I had $1 for every time someone asked me this question, we could go on a girls trip to Disneyland together. It's crazy how often I get asked this one, so I wanted to share some of my favorite tips for you for how I organize my printables. There's so many different ways. I'll show you a couple of my favorites. I'll show you one of my favorite ones first, and that is these binders. The binders are so easy because you can just print and you can just pop them into a sheet protector. You can laminate them if you want. I find sheet protectors easier. And then they store just right in a cupboard. You can do a lot of them in one small space and they fit really, really great. And then you just pull them out, add some toys, and start playing and learning. This is an idea I particularly like for our morning tubs, but you can work with some of the Sunder's activities with these as well. But basically, just put them in these little pencil boxes. You can get these tubs at Walmart or Costco, and then you open it up. You can just set these out on a table for kids to work on first thing in the morning, or we have moms using them at home, just having them sit out on the table for when kids wake up or have a minute to work. And then they pull out their task cards, and they have the materials right there, and they can just kind of go ahead and get to work. Really, really easy to store, really easy to get out and use very quickly. Another option I've been trying lately and liking are these spiralized little binders. And these are really, really easy to make if you have the equipment to do it, and a really easy way to store. These ones are the worksheet sets. They work perfect for this. It's like a workbook. But you can also, if you want to turn it into a toy of some kind, like say you want to do these with Play-Doh instead of pom-poms, then I just grab a sheet protector, slide it over the top, and put it over there so they can do the Play-Doh on the top of it without getting the paper turning a color. Another option I really liked are these larger tubs that you can get at Costco in bulk, and they just pop open, they fit, they're large enough to fit any of the printables, full-size pages, plus activities to go with them, or anything you've laminated or prepped basically will fit in these. You can label them and then just pop them into a closet to get out whenever you have a new theme, so those work really well also. And one other method I have used, I don't like it quite as much because it's a little harder to protect your printables and keep them nice, but you can use file folders. So for example, if I pull out the construction preschool theme, I have a folder, and inside the printables that are laminated, we have some of the toys that we've used, like our painted roads that they can build the roads, our shape roads, and different kinds of things. They can pull out their laminated mats, and I can pull that out pretty quickly. So that is one option as well. So those are a few of my favorite ways to store my printables. I'd love to hear your ideas and thoughts. You can share them in the comments below or come hang out in our Facebook group and tell us what you do.